guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little clip for your squishy, like a little tag. You can use a squishy that has this little circle thing on it that you can use to put this through it, like paper clips or something like that, or safety pins. I have like a bobby pin. I don't think that would work that good, but whatever you really have at your house. Sorry about my hair, because it's real messy. Yeah. What you'll need is a squishy. If your squishy doesn't have that thing on here, what I just showed you, this, you could poke it through the squishy. So I would do. So all you will need to make it, an invoice. Well, you don't need an invoice. What am I thinking? Because I got 2 squishy packages. So yeah. What you will need is a squishy. I got this burger squishy. A stapler. Whoa, that was way too close to the camera. A stapler. Let me see if this has anything in it. Okay, yeah, that has a lot of that. See, guys. Yo. Some cards like this. They can have these stripes, but I'm using the striped ones. A pencil and a thin Sharpie. It should have this kind of tip or anything to make it darker. And you'll need colored pencils and some scissors. Trust me, guys, you're not cutting your thing. So, what you'll need to do is to take one of these cards. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. Fold it in half. No. And, well, you don't really need scissors. Don't grab scissors. Unless there's a really tiny squishy and you need to cut it a little smaller. And I'll get a little squishy out so you guys can see. So this is a big squishy, so I'm obviously going to use a big one, so duh. All you'll need to do is write out what your squishy is. I would say mine is a burger, like a hamburger, because mine doesn't have any cheese on it. Oh, yeah, this one's super slow rising. My cousin dipped it in water. It wasn't slow rising. Now you put Mod Podge on it, and it looks like it's never ever moving, really. That's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna let it stay here. So I'm just gonna staple it before I can do anything yet, really. I'm just gonna staple it. You want to staple it right in the middle. And whenever you have if you have like a tiny squishy or anything, and when you use scissors, use parent supervising. Yeah, that's right. Sorry about that. I was reading my little book that I made before, and I didn't know what the cover said. I don't really know. Sorry, my hair is so messy right now. Here, I'm just gonna put it up. I'm just gonna use you guys the mirror. Sorry about this video. This is just so bad. My hair smells good. Not so brag, guys. I just said to myself, my hair smells good. Oh my gosh. This actually works so good. No bumps now. Perfect. I don't care if there's any bumps in my hair, guys. So, yeah. I should do this hairstyle every day. It's like a regular and usual pony, but instead of my mom doing it, it's just like a cute pony. No, I did my pony for the day. Looks like a mom outfit, but no, I'm not. This would be a cute outfit to wear in the summer, just like these pink shorts, like flexible, and this shirt. So let's just get on. So I'm gonna write hamburger. I'm just gonna lay because I want to have. I don't have to do a lot of my squishies. I have like 100 like 14 or 107. I'm not trying to brag how many squishies I have, but I'm gonna do all of them. I was like, hey, I kind of want to do one on camera because I really kind of want to. So I'm gonna write that on here. For a second, I thought I was writing cheeseburger, and I was like, what? And then I looked at it, and I was starting to draw an H, and I was like, oh, I'm drawing an H. I need to make those H lines a little better. Okay, so I got a hamburger. It's not together. It's a little weird, but for a second I thought that I had it underlined because at Stapleton I did like that, and then I took it back and I was like, what? I underlined it? And then I glanced back at it and I was like, no, I didn't. So, yeah. Now I'm going to trace it over it with a black marker. I need to find my mini hole puncher. It's a lovely hole puncher. I got a mini hole puncher from Target. So it's actually kind of hard tracing over these lines, but who really cares? Because what I could have done is I could have stuck the paper clip. I really do need safety pins so bad, but are done. La la la. A second I thought I had a bump in the back, but it's actually my wrap. Now I'm gonna want to take and color it. What?
You wanna fold that laundry?
In a second.
Huh?
In a second.
Alright, I'll be right back inside.
Okay. So sorry about that, guys. That's my dad. I have to fold laundry. It's not that bad. I don't really want to, but I have to. I'm just coloring mine a nice teal shade, and then I'm just going to make some other shades to not make it too dark. Guys, go to Krispy Kreme right now because you can get a dozen donuts just for $1. $1. If you guys don't know what do not know what a dozen is, it's 12 donuts. Just in case there's little kids watching this. Yeah. Oh my God. Money. So, just gonna color it.
Oh.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I want to see what you're doing.
You okay
Whoa.
over there?
Huh?
Are you okay over there?
Were you recording?
Yeah.
Were you recording?
Doing how to make a squishy tag.
Oh.
Like to tell what your squishy is, because if it doesn't have it, that's what I'm doing. Okay.
Where are all your dishes from?
It was from pizza, because me and Mama ate pizza.
Where?
It's here.
Oh, you made one little one?
From down.
You go downstairs and get it?
Yeah. Now what you want to do is... Oh no, wait, I forgot to do every other shade. Nice blue. That was easy to read.
What are you gonna do now?
I don't really know.
I need to fall on the grass. I need to do it.
Oh. Yep.
I need to do the laundry and fold all that laundry. Well, we can just kind of goof off tomorrow.
Yeah. There's a nice sign. It says hamburger. I'm gonna stick this back in there. Sorry. Now where'd that thing go?
What did your mom do today, you think?
No. We went downstairs, got sausage.
Alright.
Downstairs.
She went down there?
No, I did and Momo did.
Oh, I said she went down there?
Yeah. Trying to get this thing stick through here.
Yeah.
It's not really working.
Hey, you just looked at other switch to turn your fans on? Please?
Ouch, you feel it.
When your blanket's freshness fades before the binge watching begins, that's when you know it's half washed. Next time, add Downy fabric conditioner. Downy conditions fibers with a long-lasting fresh scent. So your blanket will stay fresh through next week's finale.
You do need scissors. You need to cut a little bit of the front. And then
And they'll send you a check. Oh. Shop your favorite stores. Get
some of the back.
Your digestive system has billions of bacteria, but life can throw them off balance.
Ooh.
Realign yourself with Align Probiotic. And try new Align gummies with prebiotics and probiotics to help support digestive health. Looks like affordable dentures and implants is very special.
Ta-da, you have your own little tag for your squishy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye guys.